Alright, this is '06 Hayabusa factory Tokiko brakes. So I took the front tire off. That's why you can see the forks kind of like that. I took the front tire off because I'm getting a new tire, and decided to check the brakes out while I was at it, and found that the brake pads were, like, one of the pads was down really low. So I ordered these new pads off of Amazon. They're EBC HH, FA188HH, and their application actually says that it doesn't fit the '06 Hayabusa, but I know it does because I just looked up online. So I already have the old ones out. So 6-piston caliper, you can push the pistons back, you know, because you probably have to do that because the new pads obviously have more meat on them, so to make them fit. So you can just do it by hand, or if you're gentle with some channel locks, I definitely do it that way too. But these are super easy. There's basically a a pin that's got a Jesus clip on there. I don't know if you know what a Jesus clip is, but you know, you lose it. It's like, oh, Jesus, where'd that clip go? Anyways, so kind of just the pad fits in there. The pin goes through, and then the other pad is in there. If I can get it in. There we go. And the pin goes all the way through. There we go. Just feed it through. You can feed it through by hand mostly, I think. And then there's a hole that the Jesus clip goes through. Just put that on there like that. And then once you put the caliper back around the rotor, see how small that gap is? Just gotta, you know, probably end up pushing that back a little bit. Just make sure that the rotor fits in there. No big deal, I'll do that later. And this little cover goes on there like that. It's a small metric Allen. That is, what the hell size is that? I don't even know. Tiny. Probably like a 3mm, 2mm, something like that. And these little bolts just hold that clip in. You know, come to think of it, I probably should have spread those, push those caliper pistons in a little more than, you know, right now, but I like suffering, so I'm just gonna do it later. But yeah, I probably should have push those all the way in right now, but I gotta I'll probably take the master cylinder cap off and see how much fluid is in there. I might have to suck out a little bit of brake fluid. Obviously, don't go stupid on these. They're so tiny, you know, just a little bit. It's good enough. And that's really it. So simple as that. All right.